Hey, healthy, wealthy family! Welcome back to another episode where we bring you the best health and wellness tips. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for updates. Today, we're diving into nutritional deficiencies and the cravings they cause. Let's get started. Did you know that certain cravings can actually be your body's way of signaling a nutritional deficiency? Let's break down some common cravings and the nutrients your body might be lacking. If you find yourself constantly craving chocolate, it might be a sign that your body is low on magnesium. Magnesium is essential for many bodily functions. Incorporate more nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and whole grains into your diet to boost your magnesium levels. Craving salty foods can indicate a deficiency in minerals such as sodium, chloride, or potassium. Instead of reaching for chips, try adding more tomatoes, celery, and sea salt to your meals. Bananas and avocados are great for potassium. Craving sweets? Well, a strong craving for sweets might be your body's way of asking for more chromium, phosphorus, sulfur, or tryptophan. To curb these sweet cravings, consider including more sweet potatoes, eggs, fish, and broccoli in your diet. These foods can help balance your blood sugar levels, keeping those cravings in check. If you're constantly craving red meat, it could be a sign of an iron or zinc deficiency. To boost your iron intake, you can include foods like red meat, spinach, lentils, and pumpkin seeds in your diet. And for zinc, try adding more nuts, seeds, and legumes to your meals. This could really help satisfy those red meat cravings by addressing the root cause. Craving cheese often can be a sign of a calcium or fatty acid deficiency. To tackle this, incorporate more calcium-rich foods like cheese, yogurt, almonds, and leafy greens. For healthy fats, add chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts to your diet. Craving fizzy drinks can be a sign of a calcium deficiency or a need for hydration. Try drinking mineral water and increasing your intake of calcium-rich foods. Also, make sure you're staying hydrated with plenty of water. Craving carbs like bread and pasta can indicate a need for nitrogen. Include more high-protein foods such as lean meats, fish, beans, and legumes to satisfy your body's need for nitrogen. Understanding the root cause of your cravings can help you address nutritional deficiencies and make healthier choices. Remember to eat a balanced diet rich in a variety of nutrients to keep your body functioning optimally. Thanks for watching, Healthy, Wealthy Family. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your tips for managing cravings. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness advice. Stay healthy and stay wealthy.